You know all is well when I'm back up on the roof having me coffee. Oh man. Right everyone, it is time to move. Where's my key? There's my key. Still on this. Not ideal, but you know. Right, so plan is not going to get too far. Just going to move down the valley a bit, get some new scenery. Basically, I need to go to a cash point at some. Jesus Christ! Get some Swiss money out. Only a bit, but just to keep me going in case I need anything. I guess actually because we're going to be crisscrossing with Italy, so I can always go somewhere there. I think it's quite expensive in the north though, I seem to remember from last time. It cost a flipping fortune for anything. But I don't know, we'll see. Oh, thank you. I forgot how warm this spot was. This is why I moved in the first place, you know, when I went up that road of death. Because I was cooking right on the side of this mountain. You just get blasted by the sun from about 10 o'clock till 8, 9 o'clock, just all day. Which is nice when you're trying to sunbathe, but not when you're trying to exist or be alive, you know. One last look, because we're not going to be here for a while. It's such a cool spot. I've put a point in on the thing, put like one of these places, but it's 10 euros or whatever it is, Swiss francs to stay there, so obviously I ain't gonna stay there. But I'll get there and then I'll do the park for night one and see if there's anything local. It's only 50 kilometres away, just down this valley a bit. Let's get a shift on. Go discover something new. This time I'm going to be keeping my eye on the road because I don't want to be ending up in another one of them. Not a chance. By the way, I've got no idea where I'm going. I'm just sort of going. For a minute, check see if I can find any spots. Flipping hell. Could stay here, but it's right on the main road. Can't be asked for that. Wow, I didn't even look at this view. You ready? Ooh. Got for a croissant. I reckon I'm gonna piss it now. It's starting to rain now. These little things keep jumping around everywhere. I just got one on slow-mo, it looks sick. Don't do that, that's not fair. I leave Switzerland, pisses it down, come back into Switzerland, looks like it's going to piss it down. Maybe I'll just bring bad luck with me. Alright, carry on up this road. It's a dead end, I think, so if the place is crap, then have to come back in. Looks like it's going to be quite a high spot then.
2.5 kilometres.
view, hopefully. That's a bit of a view there. Oh, I might stay there. Actually, I think I'm going to stay there. We'll drive up and come back down. Wow. Woohoo! That looks sick. I've seen another one that's even better. Oh, and another one. Going up some steep ass road. No. The view's not as good now though. I might have to go back to one of them other lay-bys. Going back down to one of them other spots. There's nothing really up there. It's just a town. I can't find anywhere to park. There's one big car park. You have to pay for it. So go back down here where it looked awesome. Motorhome sign on there. Great. Oh, good. I'm guessing that's the best spot then. I'm sure there's more down here. Down here. No signs? No signs. Oh yeah, that's dead. It's not bad. It was better down there, I think. Is this the better one? Might be. Maybe. Trees. There was one that had no trees. See straight out. Sure was. Right, ladies and gems. I've just been sat here for about 2.5 hours or 2 hours. I've just been trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do, basically. I did originally plan like I was going to go to the Grimsel Pass and Stelvio. But looking at it now, looking at budget, yada yada, it's going to be a ball ache. Because if I come into Italy near here, it's not very far away at all. Probably what, 50 kilometres. Because then I don't need to get any Swiss money, which ain't a big, you know. I can get it if I need it, but there's no point driving all the way up just to go do the Grimsel Pass when I've already done it. I mean, it was sick, obviously, but it's a flipping long way. You're talking, it's like a long ass way to get there, just to drive up there. But then, really, by the looks of it, I've pretty much got to drive back down. Right, I found a spot for the night. I was going to stay here, but it is, to be honest. I mean, the view's good, but I'm like this. I'm going to get a flipping head rush. Oh, it's so much more complicated than France, tell you. Bang these coordinates in and see how far. I'm hungry.
Proceed to highlighted route.
55. 2058. An hour? I swear there was a better lay-by that I saw down here first. So, from what I can work out, wild camping's illegal, but overnight parking is legal. And the definition between the two is wild camping, if you stay there more than one night, it's classed as wild camping. If you pull up to the spot and start getting out like barbecues and chairs and shit, then it's wild camping. So I think the criteria is you have to pull up and leave your van as it is, kind of thing. So at any point you can leave, and then it's legal. I think from what I've just been on a few forums and stuff trying to find out. I mean, I just stayed anyway without flipping even looking, but I don't want to get in shit. If that lay-by's good, I'll stay there. Just for tonight, and then I'll go to this next one tomorrow. Alright. That'll do, I reckon. It's not the best spot in the world. Bit on the piss, but I'm right next to a road. Oh well, get to sit on this bench though. You know, I like my benches. Oh, that's a sketchy bench. Oh, there you go. That. Oh, I'm gonna be sat here all flipping night and all. Not much chance of an early start tomorrow. Oh well, that's sick, that is. Got part there. I started here, but it's like that. I don't mind if it's tilting front or back, but if it's left or right, it does my bloody head in. So that'll do there. Flipping hell, we got Area 51 up there by the looks of it. All these satellite dishes, massive. Wonder if I can plug into one and get some flipping TV signal. I think it looks so weird. I thought this was like Switzerland last time. Like how you just got all these big mountains and then it's just flat in the bottom. It looks fake. It's weird. I think it looks fake. It looks like a flipping model village or something. I need some food. Start talking crazy when I'm hungry. Although saying that, sitting on the bench, it's looking like it's going to absolutely nuke it down if this lot comes over here. Blue sky over there. Well, tiny bit. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to get battered if it rains up here. Cool, I didn't see that one. Massive. That's how it should be. Imagine if I had a dish like that on top of the van. There you go. Oh mate, right, still in time. I think I've had a bit of a stinker. I've just gone to make a coffee and yeah, what did I do this morning? Ate it on the roof, didn't I? Or drank it on the roof. And I'm a cup down, which means I left it on the roof. Which means it's in about 1,000,000 pieces. 50 kilometres down there somewhere. Oh well. Got spares. Oh, there's lightning over there and everything. It's horrendous that way and nice that way. Oh well. Hopefully it didn't hit anyone. Oh, I bottled it. It's getting cold out there. Jesus Christ. I hate parking next to roads. It does my nutting. I'll leave this camera rolling for a minute so you can see some more lightning maybe. Oh yeah, that's going to hit any minute now actually. Bit of batten down the hatches.